Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Simply pour enough vinegar into the pot to cover all burned material, bring to a boil, and boil for a minute or two. Turn the heat off and let cool. I believe it is boiling the vinegar that makes the difference in this method and helps remove the really badly burned material.
Let's help you make your mark.
Method 1. Water, vinegar, and baking soda. The method: add 1 cup water and 1 cup vinegar to the pan and bring to a boil. Turn off the heat, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Discard liquid and wash pot with a scouring pad. After a lot more effort, I was able to get the pan back to clean. 24 March 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Stainless steel pan burns are a pain, but they aren't a permanent problem. Whether you have left water boiling too long in the pot or it has become scorched by sitting empty on a burner as you prepare other items to create a favored recipe, a burnt pan doesn't have to be tossed and replaced. 1 October 2019.
Take our lead.
Technically I lied, burning water isn't really possible because it just evaporates. But you can make a kitchen smell horrible and make a huge mess if you accidentally let the water boil over the side of the dish, hit the burners, and evaporate on the stove top. 16 August 2013.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.